In an era where global connectivity and international travel are on the rise, ensuring safety while simplifying travel processes has become a priority for nations worldwide. The European Union is spearheading this effort with the launch of the European Travel Information and Authorization System, or ETIAS. This innovative digital system promises to streamline travel, enhance border security, and transform the experience of millions of travelers visiting Europe. In this extensive guide, we'll explore what ETIAS is, how it works, its benefits, and its broader implications for the future of travel and security. By the end of this journey, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of ETIAS and its impact. ETIAS stands for the European Travel Information and Authorization System, a digital pre-screening program designed for travelers from visa-exempt countries who wish to enter the Schengen zone. Currently, citizens from over 60 countries, including the United States, Canada, Australia, and Japan, can travel to Europe without a visa. However, starting in 2025, these travelers will need to apply for an ETIAS authorization before their journey. Modeled after similar systems like the US ESTA or Electronic System for Travel Authorization, ETIAS ensures that travelers meet entry requirements before boarding a flight or entering the Schengen zone. The goal is to enhance security, reduce immigration risks, and provide a smoother experience for legitimate travelers. One of the key features of ETIAS is its eligibility criteria. It is required for citizens of visa-exempt countries visiting Europe for short stays, up to 90 days within any 180-day period. The application fee is a nominal €7, making it affordable for most travelers. Once approved, ETIAS is valid for 3 years or until the traveler's passport expires, whichever comes first. The entire process is digital, with the application fully online, and most approvals are granted within minutes. ETIAS is a proactive solution to modern challenges in border management, combining convenience for travelers with robust security measures. The ETIAS application process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. Here's a step-by-step guide to how it works. Step 1. Online application. Travelers will need to visit the official ETIAS website or use the mobile app if available to complete their application. The form will require personal details, such as full name, date of birth, nationality, and other identifying information. Travel information, including the intended country of entry, and valid passport details including the document number, issuance date, and expiration date. Step 2. Security and health questions. Applicants will answer a series of questions related to security, criminal history, travel to conflict zones, and health conditions. This step ensures that only eligible and safe travelers are granted entry. Step 3. Payment. The application fee of €7 must be paid online using a credit or debit card. This fee applies to travelers aged 18 to 70. Others, such as children or seniors, may be exempt. Step 4. Automated processing. Once the application is submitted, the system cross-checks the information against various databases, including the Schengen Information System, the Visa Information System, and Interpol and Europol databases. Most applications are processed instantly, with approvals granted within minutes. In some cases, additional manual review may be required, taking up to 4 days. Step 5. Travel authorization. Approved travelers will receive their ETIAs electronically. This authorization is linked to their passport and verified during border checks or airline boarding. ETIAS offers a wide range of benefits for travelers, governments, and the global travel industry. Here are the most significant advantages. Enhanced security. ETIAS's primary purpose is to strengthen border security by identifying potential risks before travelers reach Europe. By cross-referencing applications with international security databases, authorities can detect individuals with criminal records, health concerns, or other red flags. Streamlined travel experience. Although ETIAS introduces an additional step for travelers, it ultimately simplifies the border crossing process. Pre-screened travelers experience fewer delays at immigration, allowing them to begin their European adventures with ease, cost-effective and accessible. With a low application fee and 3 years of validity, ETIAS is an affordable solution for frequent travelers. The fully digital process eliminates the need for physical documents or visits to embassies. Improved data sharing. ETIAS facilitates better information sharing between European countries, enhancing cooperation on immigration and security issues. This interconnected system strengthens Europe's ability to respond to global challenges. Boost to tourism. By creating a more secure and efficient travel environment, ETIAS is expected to attract more visitors to Europe. The system's convenience encourages tourism while ensuring safety. The introduction of ETIAS is more than just a procedural update. It represents a paradigm shift in how international travel is managed. Here's how ETIAS will shape the future. Digitalization of travel. ETIAS is part of a broader trend toward digital travel solutions. As paper-based processes are replaced by digital systems, travelers can expect faster, more convenient experiences. ETIAS aligns with other innovations like biometric passports and automated border controls to create a seamless travel ecosystem. Pre-screening becomes the norm. ETIAS exemplifies the growing importance of pre-screening in international travel. By vetting travelers before they depart, governments can enhance security while reducing bottlenecks at borders. This model is likely to inspire similar systems in other regions. Enhanced traveler confidence. Knowing that rigorous security measures are in place can boost traveler confidence. ETIAS's emphasis on safety and efficiency makes Europe an even more appealing destination for tourists and business travelers alike. Environmental benefits. The shift to digital systems like ETIAS supports global sustainability goals. By reducing reliance on paper documents and streamlining airport operations, these innovations contribute to a greener travel industry. Global interoperability. ETIAS lays the groundwork for greater international collaboration in travel management. As digital systems become more interconnected, travelers will benefit from standardized processes across borders. With ETIAS simplifying travel to Europe, now is the perfect time to plan your next trip. From the romantic canals of Venice to the historic landmarks of Paris, Europe offers an abundance of unforgettable experiences. Use ETIAS to unlock the wonders of 27 countries with ease and confidence. Money-saving tip. Want to save money on traveling? Click the Expedia link in my channel description for the best savings and bundles. Happy travels! Stay informed and inspired with the latest travel updates, destination guides, and tips for making the most of your journeys. Subscribe for more adventures and embark on a world of exploration. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first international trip, our resources will help you navigate the changing landscape of travel with confidence. Now, wait, we will delve deeper into the future implications of ETIAS on global travel security. Stay tuned as we explore expert opinions and predictions. The introduction of ETIAS marks a significant shift in how we approach travel and security, not just within Europe, but globally. Experts believe that systems like ETIAS could pave the way for more integrated and robust security measures worldwide, enhancing safety for travelers while maintaining the ease of movement. Imagine a future where your travel experience is not only seamless, but also more secure, allowing you to explore the world with peace of mind. As technology continues to evolve, ETIAS could be a model for other regions, potentially leading to a more connected and safer global travel network. Stay with us as we bring you insights from industry leaders and security experts, shedding light on how ETIAS might shape the future of international travel. Travel smart, travel safe, and stay informed. See you on your next adventure. Happy travels.